Feeling tired, wired, or constantly on edge even when nothing's wrong. Your cortisol levels might be staying too high for too long. Cortisol isn't bad, it's your survival hormone. But when it stays elevated, it can quietly affect your sleep, weight, mood, and even your focus. Cortisol is released by your adrenal glands in response to stress. Short-term. Helpful. Long-term. That's where the problem starts. Chronic stress can lead to poor sleep, increased belly fat, brain fog, anxiety. Chronic elevated cortisol is linked to metabolic issues and sleep disruption, supported by endocrine research and organizations like the NIH. 1. Control your breathing. Fastest reset. Your breath directly talks to your nervous system. Inhale 4 seconds. Exhale 6 to 8 seconds. This activates your parasympathetic system, calming mode. Slow breathing reduces cortisol and heart rate variability improves, clinical studies. 2. Get morning sunlight. Within 30 to 60 minutes of waking, get natural light. Why? Regulates cortisol rhythm. Improves sleep later at night. Supported by circadian rhythm research. 3. Move your body, but don't overdo it. Exercise lowers stress, but too much intense training can raise cortisol. Best options: walking, light jogging, strength training, moderate. Studies show moderate exercise reduces baseline cortisol over time. 4. Cut constant stimulation. If your brain never gets a break, cortisol never drops. Reduce constant phone scrolling, news overload, multitasking. Try dopamine breaks, quiet time, no screens. 5. Fix your sleep first. No sleep equals high cortisol. Every time. Aim 6 to 8 hours. Cool, dark room. No phone 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Sleep deprivation increases evening cortisol levels, well documented. 6. Eat to support stress balance. Your body needs the right nutrients to regulate stress. Focus on magnesium, leafy greens, nuts. Healthy fats. Protein. Avoid too much caffeine. Excess sugar. Nutritional deficiencies can worsen stress response. You don't need a complete life reset to lower cortisol. Just a few small daily changes can bring your body back into balance. Start with one habit today and your body will feel the difference. Subscribe for more simple health resets, and comment, what's your biggest stress trigger?